Japan, a nation known for its fortitude, remains steadfast despite seismic occurrences. This country, between the Sea of Japan and the Pacific Ocean, grapples with frequent earthquakes. The Nankai Trough, a deep-sea trench, is the source of this seismic activity. Hundreds of tremors have been recorded, and scientists predict a significant quake in the coming decades. This could alter Japan's landscape. Measures are in place to counteract tsunamis and improve earthquake warning systems. Drills are a regular feature in schools, and citizens are urged to always be prepared.